Are you ready to elevate your truck experience? In this video, we explore the top 5 best truck bed covers of 2025 that not only enhance your vehicle's aesthetics, but also offer unparalleled protection for your cargo. Imagine hitting the road with peace of mind, knowing your belongings are safe from the elements and theft. Each cover has been carefully chosen to reflect durability, style, and convenience, ensuring you find the perfect match for your truck. Let's dive in and discover how these covers can transform your driving experience. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Truxedo Tonneau covers. Transform your daily driving experience with the Real Truck True Export Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover. Designed exclusively for 2019 to 2025 Chevrolet and GMC Silverado or Sierra models. Crafted to complement trucks equipped with multi-pro or flex tailgates, this premium cover balances sleek design with practical functionality, elevating both the style and security of your truck. Imagine heading into a weekend adventure, knowing your valuable tools, gear, or groceries are shielded from unpredictable weather and prying eyes. The high-quality construction of this cover provides robust protection against rain and dust, while maintaining smooth airflow over the bed, improving overall efficiency as you drive. Whether trekking through rugged roads or city streets, this tonneau cover gives you the peace of mind and convenience every truck owner deserves. Its seamless roll-up design allows effortless access to your truck bed, making loading and unloading simple, even on a tight schedule. But it is not just about functionality. This cover was thoughtfully engineered to boost your vehicle's aesthetic appeal, giving a refined, streamlined look that any truck enthusiast will admire. For anyone who treasures their truck as more than just a mode of transportation, this product is an investment in pride, practicality, and peace of mind. When you look at your Chevrolet or GMC parked with this sleek accessory, it will remind you why you chose a truck, with its rugged dependability and unmatched versatility. The Real Truck Truxedo True Export is not just a cover. It is protection, perfection, and personality, tailored for your journey. The price is around $310. Number 2. Gator Recoil Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau cover. Protecting what matters most has never been simpler with the Gator Recoil Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau cover, designed to perfectly fit 2019 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 models. Compatible with multi-pro and flex tailgates, this premium truck bed cover offers a seamless blend of style, security, and practicality for drivers who refuse to settle for less. Picture yourself on the road, no matter where life takes you. Rain or shine, your truck bed stays clean and dry, safeguarding tools, outdoor gear, or personal belongings from the elements and unwanted attention. This cover becomes your trusted companion, shielding everything you hold valuable while reflecting your love for precision and durability. Effortlessly managing the balance between functionality and aesthetics, this tonneau cover transforms the appearance of your truck. Its sleek, low-profile design enhances your vehicle's silhouette while reducing wind resistance, allowing your truck to look and perform at its best. As a truck owner, you understand the importance of utility. This retractable cover provides convenient access to your truck bed, allowing you to focus on tasks instead of fumbling with cumbersome mechanisms. Designed for drivers who lead active lives, it provides the reliability and comfort that only quality craftsmanship can deliver. Whether you are headed to the job site or on an outdoor getaway, this tonneau cover becomes a silent ally, ensuring your journey is as smooth and rewarding as the destination itself. Embrace confidence with every drive. The Gator Recoil Tonneau cover is more than a practical addition. It is the finishing touch to your truck's legacy. The price is around $900. Number 3. Tutel Hardshell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau cover. Transform your Ford F-150 into the ultimate combination of style, security, and utility with the Tutel Hardshell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau cover. Designed to seamlessly fit 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 models, this premium hardshell tonneau cover is for truck owners who seek unwavering reliability and aesthetic appeal. Picture the satisfaction of knowing your valuables are safeguarded, no matter where life takes you. Whether you are carrying expensive equipment for work, outdoor gear for an adventure, or family essentials for a road trip, this cover ensures they stay secure, shielded from harsh weather conditions and unwanted attention. The durable design provides peace of mind, letting you focus on the road ahead without second-guessing your cargo's safety. Imagine how your Ford F-150 would look with a sleek and modern upgrade that transforms more than just functionality. The smooth, streamlined appearance enhances the overall look of your truck while improving its aerodynamic efficiency. Whether parked in the driveway or traveling across long stretches of highway, your vehicle exudes a level of sophistication that turns heads. For those who live life on the move, this cover offers a hassle-free way to protect and access your truck bed. It is crafted for individuals who value their time and need a solution that complements their lifestyle. With this addition, every drive becomes a statement of confidence, and every glance at your truck reminds you why you chose to invest in unmatched quality. The Tutel hard-shell folding truck bed tonneau cover adds value, trust, and pride to your daily journey, turning your truck into more than just a vehicle. It becomes your most reliable partner. The price is around $500. Number 4. Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Enhance the utility and style of your truck with the Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, meticulously designed for a perfect fit on Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra models. Whether you own a 2014 to 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 or a 2015 to 2018 Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra 2500 and 3500 heavy-duty fleet-side model, this cover is not just an accessory, it is a game changer for your daily travels. Imagine the sense of calm that comes from knowing your truck's cargo area is protected. Whether you are hauling tools for a job, storing sports equipment for your adventures, or safeguarding personal belongings from the elements and theft, this soft roll-up cover offers reliable protection at all times. The security it brings gives you the freedom to focus on what truly matters without worrying about your truck bed. This truck bed cover adds an elegant touch to your vehicle, giving it a streamlined appearance while improving practical functionality. Its smart and minimalist design not only upgrades the truck's look, but also improves its efficiency, making long trips smoother and more enjoyable. For truck owners who value versatility and style, this cover ensures easy handling without effort, allowing you to stay on track with your busy schedule. Rain, snow, or sunlight, it is ready for every condition, ensuring that your truck is as dependable as you need it to be. The Amazon Basic Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate blend of practicality, elegance, and trustworthiness, making it a powerful addition to your truck's legacy. The price is around $210. Number 5. Tyger Auto T1 Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Upgrade your Ford F-150 with the Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, designed for models from the year 2021 to 2025. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing your cargo is shielded from the elements while maintaining an elegant appearance. This tonneau cover not only enhances the visuals of your truck, but also provides essential protection. Picture yourself out on a road trip, feeling the excitement of adventure with everything securely tucked away. The easy installation process means you can spend less time worrying and more time enjoying life. The soft roll-up feature grants you quick access to your truck bed whenever you need it, bringing convenience right at your fingertips. As you glide down the highway, notice how this cover contributes to improved aerodynamics, potentially saving you on fuel costs. Experience the peace of mind that comes from knowing your valuable items are safeguarded against theft and harsh weather, allowing you to focus on the journey ahead. Embrace the versatility this tonneau cover offers. Whether you are hauling tools for work or gear for a weekend getaway, join thousands of satisfied customers who have transformed their driving experience with this quality product. The balance of durability and style makes it a smart addition to your truck. Elevate your Ford F-150 into a true reflection of your personality and lifestyle. Make the switch today and feel the difference for yourself. The price is around $210. We believe that you like our best truck bed covers. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comment section, tell me which truck bed cover you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care.